This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course. Now, in this example of regular expressions, I am going to give you a code whereby we would be matching all the alphanumeric characters. By alphanumeric characters, we mean to say all the digits from 0 to 9 and all the letters from A to Z, be it in capital letters or be it in lowercase letters.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Okay, so matching alphanumeric characters. So as usual, first I will import the module RE, which is for regular expression. Then I will take an object. I would write RE dot compile, and within single double quotes I would write small W. This is for matching only alphanumeric characters. So now what I am going to do is I am going to invoke the method find all, and in find all I am going to give the string T is 100% K and $1000. Okay, so let me print it. Fine. When I will execute this program, what will happen is it will print all the alphanumeric characters like HEIS100, and your by alphanumeric I mean to say let us use all under val. So let me first execute. So as you can see in the output, we have like he, h, then we people have got this EIS100, and you can see percentage is missing because percentage is not alphanumeric, and you can also see nowhere the space has been printed, and you can also see underscore was also missed. Okay, underscore was there because underscore comes under alphanumeric characters. Okay, I'm sorry, alphanumeric character underscore is alphanumeric character. So spaces were not printed, percentage was not printed, dollar was not printed, no special character would be printed. Okay, let's change the code to capital W. Now capital W will reverse the things. Now what it will do is it will print all those characters which are not alphanumeric, So now spaces, percentage, dollar will be printed. Control Shift 10. Yeah, the space is there, percentage is there, spaces are there, then dollar and also dot. Right, dot is also not an alphanumeric character, and this is the space as you can see. So if we use /small w, it will print all alphanumeric characters. If we write /capital W, it will ignore all alphanumeric